Good morning, student. Continuous discontinuous behavior of lithium. Lithium already explained. Now, other elements of the family. That here lithium is what means that lithium is will be soft. Here high melting point. Here low melting point. Here less reactive. Here more reactive. That opposite only present. Next, lithium nitrate will be formed. Here, no reactions. Next, reaction with bromine slowly. Here, violently. Next, lithium carbide formed. Here, carbon directly. Don't react with carbon directly, but cannot react with carbon compounds. So here also carbide will be formed. What condition means compounds of carbon react. Compounds of carbon. Lithium nitrate form give to oxides here. Here decomposed to give nitrates. Decomposed will be possible. Next, similarities of lithium and magnesium. First point, both lithium and magnesium will be hard, and other elements of respectively group. Second, both lithium and magnesium slowly react with water. Slowly react with water. And there, what will be formed means oxides, hydroxides, hydroxides only formed. That oxide heating means decomposed. Hydroxide heating means decomposed. Hydroxide heating means decomposed. Both are nitrate. Both are nitrate means Li3N. Here Mg3N2. With the direct combination with the nitrogens. Direct combination means directly react with the nitrogens. In fourth point, do not give superoxides. Do not give superoxide. Both elements, but oxides only given. Oxides only given. Example, Li2O, MgO. The type of oxide only given. Next one, lithium and magnesium decomposed when carbonate react means. Carbonate reactor means easily decomposed. Both element. Lithium magnesium don't react with bicarbonate. Carbonate means CO3 carbonate. Then bicarbonate don't react. Bicarbonate means HCO3. HCO3 is called bicarbonate. Don't react. Both elements don't react. Both lithium chloride and magnesium chloride is soluble in alcohols. Alcohol example, lithium chloride LiCl, magnesium chloride MgCl2. That is, lithium is the monovalent, magnesium is the divalent ions. Both are soluble in alcohols. Next, diagonal relationship. Similarity between first member of lithium, second member of magnesium is in diagonal relationship. The similar to size in a radius of lithium plus 0.766 angstrom. Radius of magnesium 2 plus 0.72 angstrom. Next, electronegativity values. Lithium 1.0, magnesium 1.2. Chemical properties. First one, reaction with oxygens. See the reactions. What formed? Oxide, peroxide, superoxide. First, lithium, La plus O2. That oxygen double bond. So how many oxygen? 2 oxygen. So 4 bond required. Lithium is the monovalent. So 4 times will be needed. So lithium oxide formed. Front of your right. This is for simple oxide. This is for simple oxide. Second, react with oxygens. So here also how many needed means that is 4 needed. Sodium, so write 2 times only. 2 times means Na2O2. That is called peroxide formation. So you have to take it 2 times only. So double bond created. Yeah, peroxide combinations. Next, third one, metal react with oxygens. So what form? MO2. That MO2 is the formation superoxide. That M is called potassium, rubidium, cesium. 3 elements only taken. Reaction with hydrogens. Metal react with hydrogens. That why taken 2 times means hydrogen formula H2. All the metal monovalent. So 2 times will be taken. M metal plus hydrogen positive ions. How many times? Both are 2 times. So front of your right 2 times. That M is called, what are the elements will be present means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, not francium. Francium is a radioactive element, so don't react. Ionic character of lithium to cesium decreases. Ionic character will be decreases. Next, reaction with the halogens. That halogen formula X2. So 2 metals. Mx will be followed. That M is called lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. The X is called fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodines. All metal halides are ionic crystals. All metal halides are ionic crystals. Lithium iodide, Li, lithium iodide is the covalent characters. Covalent character. Reaction with ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. That liquid ammonia, that is deep blue color solution. Deep blue solutions. Liquid ammonia having deep blue solutions. And pure metals, the specific quantity of mercury. Specific quantity of mercury 10 power 4 ohm per minus 1. And sodium in liquid means 0.5 into 10 to the power of 4 ohm per minus 1. So come to the reactions. Metal plus X plus Y of ammonia is coordination complex will be formed. M NH3 X time. NH3 X time, that is positive charge, and negative charge also present. E power NH3 Y minus. That E means electrons. Metal released one electron. That one electron taken Y of ammonia. Metal taken X of ammonia. X of ammonia positive charge. That Y of ammonia negative charge. Metal positive charge, electron negative charge react with ammonia. What happen? Metal NH2 plus of hydrogens. That of hydrogen nothing but one hydrogens. Don't write one hydrogen. So of hydrogen nothing but one hydrogens. Next, a reaction with water and alcohol. Reaction with water. What formed? Water formula H2O. Lithium 2 times. So water also taken 2 times. What happened? That hydrogens only released. Hydrogen formula H2. So remaining LiOH. How many times? Both are 2 times. Next, react with alcohol. Now taken sodium metal. Sodium formula Na. That alcohol C2H5OH. C2H5OH. Here also 2 times. Here also 2 times. What present? That here also hydrogen elimination. Remaining C2H5ONa. Both are 2 times. So write 2 times. Next, unsaturated hydrogens also reacted. That unsaturated means see the reaction C triple bond C. This is for unsaturated. Both side hydrogen means name is called acetylene. Name is called acetylene. In the presence of sodium or react with sodium means that removal of one hydrogens minus H plus. So H C triple bond C Na. That again one more time react with the sodium means that left side hydrogen removed. So product NaC triple bond C Na. A disodium acetylene. Di means 2, sodium acetylene. Next, reducing activity. Metal solid state. Releasing one electron from metal means metal getting positive charge. Then gas state will be formed. Electron released. That good reducing agent. That all alkyl metals. That means first group metals. Reaction with carbon. Reaction with carbon. First group elements lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. That lithium only directly reacted. Remaining all are don't react with carbons. Then compounds of carbon only react. Compounds of carbon only react. For example, acetylene. So we see the first reactions. 2Li plus 2C. Li 2C2. Lithium carbide. Next uses. Lithium metal used in useful alloys. Useful alloys. For example, lead is used to make means white metal will be used. White metal. That bearing for motor engines. Bearing for motor engines. And aluminum too, with lithium to aluminum react means that here lithium with lead. Lithium with lead. Second, lithium with aluminum. That aircraft parts. Aircraft parts. Lithium with magnesium. Lithium with magnesium. Enamel plates. used also used for thermonuclear reactions. Thermonuclear reactions all are 1 mark side important. All are 1 mark side important. Second point, lithium also used in electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cells making. Sodium uses. Sodium uses. Sodium with lead alloy will be used many that needed to make lead ethyl 4 times or lead methyl 4 times. And compounds early used for anti-knocking petrols. In nowadays used lead-free petrols. Liquid sodium metals. Liquid sodium metal used coolant, fast, breeder, nuclear reactors. Nuclear reactor also very fast. So liquid metal used here. Next potassium. Potassium used biological system. Potassium used biological system. That biological system means potassium chloride. KCl used fertilizers. KCl used fertilizer. Potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide used for manufacturing of soft soap. Soap will be softness means potassium hydroxide used. And excellent absorbent of carbon dioxide. Excellent absorbent of carbon dioxide. And cesium used in photochemical cells. Cesium used photochemical cell. General characteristics. All the common compounds alkyl metals are ionic nature. Ionic in nature. All are common compounds. First one, oxides. Oxides means we have taken M2O plus H2O react with water. Then what will happen? MOH. That metal also 2 times and hydrogens also 2 times. That oxygens also 2 times. Write 2MOH. OH twice. OH twice. MOH only, not twice. MOH only, not twice. Second reaction, M2O2 peroxide formation. React with the water means MOH 2 times plus hydrogen peroxide. MOH 2 times hydrogen peroxide will be found. Metal equal to what metal used means sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium only in peroxide method. Next superoxide MO2 2 times plus 2H2O, MOH 2 times plus H2O2 plus oxygens. Here metal used except lithium and sodium. Remaining metal potassium, rubidium, cesium. And upon a condition pure compound M2O, M2O2, MO2 may be prepared. Properties of oxide and hydroxide. Oxide and hydroxide will be colorless. Oxide and hydroxide colorless, but superoxide will be colored. What color means yellow or orange color will be present. Peroxide diamagnetic natures. Peroxide diamagnetic nature and superoxide paramagnetic nature. Oxide and hydroxide paramagnetic. Superoxide is the diamagnetic. Superoxide is the paramagnetic. Properties of halides. Metal halides. Metal halides means M equal to lithium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. X equal to already halogens. So colorless crystalline solids. Colorless crystalline solid and high melting point. High melting point. High melting point. They can be prepared from oxides, hydroxides, carbonate, aqueous hydrohalic acid. Aqueous hydrohalic acid, that means HX, and also electropositive characters. Electropositive character will be present. Alkyl metal increasing from lithium to cesium, not francium. That is with halides increasing from lithium to cesium. All halides are ionic. All halides are ionic natures except lithium bromide and lithium iodide only. All halides are soluble in water, but except lithium fluoride is not soluble. Lithium fluoride is not soluble because low solubility in water. What reason means high lactic enthalpy. High lactic enthalpy. So because lithium metal will be small size, so do not hydrolyze. Lithium bromide and lithium iodide soluble in organic solvents. Soluble in organic solvents. Next is salt of oxoacids. Alkyl metals form salt of oxoacid. That most of the oxosalt will be soluble in water. Soluble in water. Thermally stable. Thermally stable. And down the electropositive character increases. Electropositive character increases down the group.